Hey YouTubers, Mike Boards with the Mike Boards channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking cargo pods or cargo toppers on the top of your vehicle that store a lot of your belongings. And we want to show you what happened to ours. Ours took a hard hit, a hard beating, and it didn't do too much damage. So the actual cargo topper that we bought, very durable and very reliable. Let's go out to the vehicle and take a look. I'll be honest, this is the first time I'm opening it. Okay. Our first concern were these internal brackets, and they look great. They really do. I'm very surprised. However, not really, because again, the strength and durability of this actual top portion would only mean that the remaining parts of this entire cargo topper are as good. And again, those are good. And this is a dual opening topper, which means I can lower it, latch it, hop to the opposite side, and open it from that side as well. So what I'm going to do, maybe spend a few minutes. I might actually remove this entire cargo topper from the van and push the dents out, and I might get some really strong adhesive sealant and seal those cracks. And again, there is the brand right there. So in the event that you are thinking about purchasing that specific brand cargo topper, I recommend it. Unfortunately, it's in the condition that it is as we see it here. However, I can honestly tell you, if you buy this and it takes a hit, it's not going to explode. So that's a good thing. So with that said, in the event that you actually want to see the end result, we're going to take this off, try to remove all the dents, and we're going to try to seal those cracks and save this topper, which would be awesome because this thing is roughly $600 and we've only had it not too long. So we're going to take that thing off and try to fix it. We'll see you at the next video. That's it, YouTubers. As you can see, a pretty darn strong unit, and it took a beating and it didn't do too much damage. It held itself together, which is very impressive. So hopefully this helps and shows you how strong that actual brand of cargo topper is. From here, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely go to your settings, turn on your YouTube notification bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that would be awesome. And hey, one last thing, below the video as well as at the end of this video, you are going to see a couple links. First video, how to remove that car topper from your vehicle. Second video, how to repair it or fix those cracks that we have on our cargo topper. Number 3, how to put it back up and install it and secure it to the rails on the top of your vehicle. Definitely check all of those videos out. We'll see you there.